Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to review. The Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR. This innovative device combines luxury design with cutting-edge technology, making it a standout in the world of smartphones. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy these phones from. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First and foremost, the design of the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR is a testament to elegance and innovation. Crafted with a superlight titanium hinge, this device epitomizes seamless functionality and robust durability. Its sleek contours and stylish finish exude luxury, while the premium materials ensure a tactile experience like no other. From the moment you hold it in your hand, you'll feel the unmistakable quality that sets it apart. With every fold and unfold, the hinge glides effortlessly, enhancing both convenience and longevity. In essence, the design of the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR is a harmonious blend of form and function, delivering a truly unparalleled user experience. Transitioning to the display, the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR impresses with its captivating visuals and immersive experience. The 7.92-inch foldable LTPO OLED display with its high refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures fluidity and responsiveness in every interaction. With a resolution of 2344 by 2156 pixels, images and videos come to life with stunning clarity and detail. Additionally, the support for stylus input adds versatility, enabling precise control and creativity. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or sketching ideas, this display delivers exceptional performance, elevating your multimedia experience to new heights. But that's not all. The exterior display is equally impressive. At 6.43 inches, it also features a 120 Hz LTPO display with stylus support and nanocrystal glass 2.0, offering stunning visuals even in bright sunlight. When it comes to performance, the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR sets a new standard for excellence. Fueled by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm mobile platform, it delivers unparalleled speed and efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking and responsive user experience. With a generous 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of internal storage, you'll never have to compromise on space or performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling productivity tasks, this powerhouse device empowers you to do more with ease and confidence. Say goodbye to lag and hello to limitless possibilities with the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR. Turning our attention to the camera, the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR boasts an impressive array of lenses tailored to every photographic scenario. With a high-resolution 50MP main camera, a versatile 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a powerful 20-megapixel telephoto camera, this device ensures that every shot is a masterpiece. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate close-up shots, the clarity and detail captured by this camera setup are unparalleled. From vivid colors to crisp textures, your photos will consistently exceed expectations, elevating your photography to new heights with every click. In terms of battery life, the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR won't let you down. With a 5000 mAh silicon carbon battery and 66W wired Honor supercharged technology, you'll get all-day power in just a fraction of the time. And finally, let's talk about security and software. With features like the HTE plus Qt dual security system and macOS 7.2 based on Android 13, you can rest assured that your data is safe and your user experience is top-notch. Overall, the Porsche Design Honor Magic V2 RSR is a true powerhouse of a smartphone, offering luxury design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual, this device is sure to impress. Thanks for watching our review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.